So guys, today we're piercing. So I want to get like my mid Helix pierced and also my Tragus. But alright, bye bye. So we're gonna see. How are you? And Chichi also is piercing like literally the same thing. So oh my god guys, we're finally doing it. It's the D-Day. Oh fuck, we're doing it. Chico, what do you have to say for the viewers at home?
I don't know. Come and help me.
Help!
I just wanna let you know you be the girl me want. Hold me tight and I swear me not letting go. In the end, the man in morning you may know. Oh gosh, now my life's in such. She be a girl, me a crush.
Have your plate.
Yes, I do. We are fusing today, baby.
This girl is extra.
You know you love me. You know you can. We're piercing. You see, Jada. Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay. Yay! You finally get to watch my piercing vlog. So in 2021, I got 3 piercings, my Tragus, mid Helix, and 4 Helix in that order. So me and Chicos got all our piercings together at this place, Jaded Body Art. So without further ado, let's get to the video.
You guys have appointments today?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll take this sample hands. So we're doing a Tragus and 2 Helix piercings today. 2 forms for you to fill out each. So there's going to be a waiver, and then behind that is a screening form. Once those are done, we'll pick up some jewelry. Any of those or some hoops?
Oh. This one is nice too. You like it?
Yeah.
Or you want something else?
I don't want sure. Okay.
For sure. So like I say, we'll just
There
get
we
in and
go.
clean the area first. All nice and clean. Get a good scrub up in here. We're gonna do a second one. Make sure it's super duper clean. Excellent. And then I just got one more little cleaner I like to put on there. Just makes it so the little dot that we do stays on a little nicer. Good. The table for me. You're just gonna lay flat on your back.
All right.
Okay, and if you can hold your phone in your left hand, just so that I have a little more room to work, okay? Alrighty, Coco's Tragus piercing. We're gonna take a few nice deep breaths for us. In through the nose and out through the mouth. You betcha. Good, and one more nice deep breath in and out. Perfect. Put a little more pressure here. Ooh. Excellent. And then we're just gonna slide our little piece of jewelry in there. Okay. Nice deep breath in and out. Fabulous. Nice and quick, hey?
Yeah.
You betcha.
Thank you.
You bet. All right, so now I just have to screw the little bead on the back, and then we'll get it all cleaned up, and we'll be good to go.
Okay.
How do you think it was compared to your nose?
Not bad.
Not
I think
bad.
maybe because I've had my nose piercing, it didn't seem that bad.
Exactly, right?
And I wax my brow every time, so it's like,
Oh, yeah.
okay, yeah, I can tolerate this.
That's the thing, right? As women, we we go through a lot of pain for food.
Yeah.
So like I say, the recipe's there. I do suggest distilled water. All right, if you're in the city, the water's treated, it's a little better than, like, I live out in the country. I don't have treated water, right? So I just use distilled water. Distilled water is always the best, you know, just in case. And yeah, keep it clean. 2 to 3 times a day is usually going to be enough for this one. Okay, make sure you're really careful. You're not too rough and pushing things around with that Q-tip. All right, now with this one, we started with just a little bit longer bar. We're just gonna pop it in here so that it looks better from the front. Just that little longer bar just to allow for swelling room and stuff like that, okay? The little one in your ear would have been too tight to start with.
Okay.
But it'll be perfect size for when you're a little more healed, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Excellent. You betcha. Isn't that cute?
That is so cute.
I love these ones.
I just wanted to get this.
Yeah? There we go. Finished product.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Neil Pearson, who's that? Ooh, so nice. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? How do you feel? Nah, it's your turn to go and enjoy this pain. So far, you see that bad boy? No, you can't. For me, 1 second. Can you see it? Can you see it? 20. Love it. Yeah, it's really.
When you're in the shower, just let the shower head kind of run into your ear for a few minutes, and that'll help soften everything up. So.
You already know we don't need to spin and twist and turn and move the jewelry and push it in and out and that sort of thing. It'll be a little tender the first few days, especially if you accidentally sleep on that side. So try to sleep on the other side. If you can't, because I'm back and forth, side to side, right? So I just I'll sleep on my arm, or I'll kind of cup my hand around my ear, or I get a lot of people that use the travel pillows, like the neck pillows for when you're on the plane. Yeah. They work really good. So anything along those lines. Shower, excellent for a new piercing. Okay, that warm water just kind of running over, helps to flush things out of there, soften up the crusties and make them easier to clean. Soaking in water is not good for them, so try to avoid baths and stuff for the first little bit, okay?
Go. I'll let you go take a look in the mirror, see what you think on those.
Okay.
All right. So nice deep breathing. And one more. And out. Worst part's over. How you feeling?
Good.
Not too bad, right?
Yeah, not too bad.
Good. We're gonna go get your jewelry and
Okay.
so you're gonna keep going with those nice deep breaths. Good. And deep breath in and out. Good. 90% done.
Thank you.
How you feeling?
Good. Awesome.
Good. All right. So we'll just keep it turned over. We're gonna go get that bead on. I had a bit of a slipping issue with it.
So this is the before. So today we're getting this pierced. We got this one last couple of times. We're getting this one now. Let's go. So I choose this one. Okay.
I'm just gonna get really personal with the inside of your ear, Anya.
That's okay.
Nobody likes a stranger in there quite that way. So I'm gonna let you go take a look in the mirror.
Okay.
Deep breath in and out. You did awesome. How you feeling?
Good.
Good. I'm gonna go get your jewelry in. So you're gonna focus on those nice deep breaths for me all over again. What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Good. Good. And you're feeling good up on your feet? You're not feeling dizzy, lightheaded, or nauseous?
Nope, I'm good.
Good. Oh.
We got it, guys. We did it.
One piece of soul, body girl, I love them if you know. She take it low, take it below. Shawty got me like